Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes, class 10, English, Footprints without its books, chapter number 9, and topic is Holi. So, from this book, this is the today present syllabus. This is the last chapter, and next one, the 10 number book, chapter the book that saved the earth, that is omitted as 30% syllabus is cut. So this book's course is finished. Then after one more chapter I have to teach you in that book. So course is going to finish, but I think your study should be as this chapter Holi. Let's discuss here. Holi means very much simple or innocent, and जिसको कि कुछ नहीं आता है. Yes. And first thing we know, this girl, why did this girl call Holi? Why people dislike her? What was the reason she became Holi? What was her future aim? And how she was called Holi? Yes, everything we will discuss today. Okay. Her name was Sulekha. Sulekha. Actual name was Sulekha. But since her childhood, everyone had been calling her Holi, the simpleton. But she was called Holi or simpleton. Why? Because of her foolish behavior. Foolish person easily tricked by others. Just की सीधी सारी थी, कोई उसको ठग सकते थे, किसी भी उसको उल्लू बना सकते थे. That's why she was called Holi. Okay. She was the fourth daughter of number Ramlal. रामलाल का चौथा नंबर four letters. Okay. When she was 10 months old, just 10 महीना का हो रही थी, she had fallen off the cot. Cot means small bed. Bed से गिर गई. On her head, सर में लग गया. And perhaps it has damaged some part of her brain. तो brain का चोट लगा. And because of that, Holi could not. Mind is not strong. That was why she remained a backward child and came to be known as Holi, a simpleton. Holi was from that day, after 10 months, she did not improve her brain, or her brain did not improve. That's why she was called Holi. It's okay. At birth, the child was very fair and pretty, but when she was 2 years old, okay, in Denmark, when stroke and some part is not done up, after 2 years, she got one of the disease that is called smallpox. She had an attack of smallpox. Only the eye were saved. But the entire body was permanently disfigured by deep black poke. Poke mark means very scarce, daag. Little Sulekha could not speak till she was 5 years. 2 साल में दाग आ गया, पहले तो ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट हुआ, दाग आ गया. 5 years तक वो बात भी कर रही थी. Okay. And when at last she learned to speak, she stammered. Stammered means speak haltingly, तुतलाना, हकलाना, जो अच्छे से नहीं बोल पाना. Yes, ऐसे ही लड़खड़ाते हुए बात करती थी. The other children often made fun of her and mimicked her. Means उसका नकल करके चिढ़ाते थे. Other children made fun of her. Yes, as a result, she talked very little. बहुत धीरे से बात करती थी. Ramlal had 7 children, 3 sons and 4 daughters. I told 4 daughters, youngest one, and 3 sons. In total, 7 children. Ramlal had 7 children. Okay. Then see, the 3 sons and 4 daughters, and 3 youngest of them was Boli. It was a prosperous farmer's household. Prosperous means rich family, and there was plenty to eat and drink. खाना पीना sufficient है. All the children except Bholi were healthy and strong. भोली को छोड़ के बाकी सब स्वस्थ थे, very good in figure. The sons had been sent to the city to study in schools and later in colleges. Yeah, 3 sons were sent to the city to for colleges, high school, college and everything, every study. अच्छा एजुकेशन है उनका. All of the daughters, Radha, the eldest had already been married. राधा बड़ी थी, उसकी शादी भी हो गया. Second daughter Mangala's married, had also been settled. Second Mangala, Radha Mangala, उसका भी शादी हो गया. And when that was done, Ramlal would think of the third Champa. Yes, Radha Mangala Champa. First one was Radha, second was Mangala, and third one was Champa, and fourth one was Sulekha. So चौथा नंबर, तीसरा का भी उनका शादी के लिए तैयारी हो गया. रामलाल would think of the third Champa. They were good looking, हेल्दी गर्ल्स, सुंदर हैं, तो कोई भी दूल्हा, कोई भी फैमिली रिश्ता में बहुत जल्दी ले जाते हैं और आसानी से उसका मैरिज भी हो गया. दे वर बी गुड लुकिंग हेल्दी गर्ल्स एंड इट वाज नॉट डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड ब्राइडग्रूम्स फॉर देम. सुंदर लड़की को, आज की ज़माना सुंदरता के पीछे है और सुंदरता के बहुत ही जल्दी पसंद हो जाता है. यस, लेकिन जो सुंदर है उनके लिए थोड़ा दिक्कत जाता है. बट रामलाल वाज वरीड अबाउट होली. Why Ramlal was worried because she had neither good looks nor intelligence. पहले तो सुंदर नहीं है, सुंदर तो थी actually. After the 2 years there was the Michigan smallpox and all the spots body are full of pokes and दाग धब्बे हो गए थे. और भोली मीन्स no more intelligent, मूर्ख थी. भोली was 7 years old when Mangala was married. Okay, भोली 7 साल की थी तब मंगला वाज मैरिड. मंगला सेकंड नंबर, मंगला की भी शादी हो गया. सेकंड नंबर, द सेम ईयर ए प्राइमरी स्कूल फॉर गर्ल्स वाज ओपन इन देयर प्लेस. तो सुलेखा एट द 7 years, 7 साल की थी. 5 साल में तब तो होना सी 7 साल जब सुलेखा का हुआ तो मंगला का शादी का ईयर में उसी गांव में एक स्कूल का शुरुआत हुआ. Primary school for girls was opened in their village. The Tahsildar Sahib came to perform its opening ceremony. Yeah, inauguration, opening ceremony. He said to Ramlal, as a revenue official, you are the representative of the government in the village. Tahsildar इसको बोले, what he spoke to Ramlal, that representative of the government of the village के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, गवर्नमेंट का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हो, मीन्स यू स्पीक फॉर द विलेज एंड सो यू मस्ट सेट एन एग्जाम्पल टू द विलेज. और गाँव के लिए टू आदर्श के लिए तुमको जरूरत है, यू मस्ट सेंड योर डॉटर्स टू स्कूल. कि तुम्हारे जो शायद रिलेटिव की शादी कर सके, सेंड करें कृष्ण चंपा बच्चे हैं सुलेखा तो सुलेखा को स्कूल भेजिए भोली को. यस, द नाइट when रामलाल consulted his wife, उसी रात में उसके पत्नी के पास रामलाल जाकर बातचीत किए. She cried, are you crazy? Crazy means mad. पागल तो नहीं हो? If girls go to school, we will marry them. तो उन लोग स्कूल जाएंगे कि शादी करेंगे? शादी कौन करेगा फिर? But रामलाल had not the courage to disobey the तहसीलदार. तहसीलदार की बात को काट नहीं सकते हैं. What तहसीलदार had told, he had to obey. As it is, there is a little chance of her getting married with her ugly face and lack of sense. Let the teachers at school worry about her. Let's see. So at last his wife said, I will tell you what to do. Send Bholi to school. Now उसकी वाइफ बाद में सोची कि भोली को स्कूल भेजो. ये तो फास्ट तो सुंदर नहीं है, सेकंड में दिमाग भी नहीं है, शायद थोड़ी बहुत पढ़ी लिखी रहेगी तो कोई शादी करने के लिए हाँ कह दे. लेट्स सी, एज इट इज देयर इज ए लिटिल चांस ऑफ हर गेटिंग मैरिज. में शादी होना इतना संभव नहीं था भोली के लिए। विथ एन ऑगली फेस, घटिया चेहरा था, एंड लेक ऑफ सेंस, और दिमाग भी कम है। लेट द टीचर्स एट स्कूल वरी अबाउट इट, उसके लिए स्कूल के टीचर लोग चिंता करें, हमारा क्या जाता है। इट्स नॉट आवर बोदरेशन, स्टिल गो टू स्कूल, टीचर उसके पीछे पड़े रहेंगे, ठीक है। द नेक्स्ट डे रामलाल caught Bholi by the hand and said, "Come with me, I will take you to school now." रामलाल उसकी छोटी बेटी भोली को लेकर स्कूल चले गए। भोली was frightened, क्योंकि ऐसे सिमुलेटर थी, मूर्ख थी, भोली थी, सीधी साई थी। She did not know what a school was like. उसको भी पता नहीं कि स्कूल क्या होता है। It was new for her. Yes, she remembered how a few days ago their old cow Lakshmi had been turned out of the house and sold. उसको लग रहा था कि एक समय गाय को लेके फिर मार्केट में बेच दिए, तो मेरे साथ भी शायद ऐसा है, मुझे भी लेके कहाँ फेंक दे रहे हैं। She remembered how a few days ago their old cow Lakshmi had been torn out of the house and sold. घर से हटा के बेच दिया गया। शायद लक्ष्मी भोली may think that my baby also sold and somewhere else. No. She shouted in terror. भोली डर गई कि मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हो, शायद मेरे पापा मुझे बेच देंगे या मैं घर से भगा रहे हैं। She shouted in terror and pulled her hand away from her father's grip. Yes, father's hold. Tried to come out from this. The boy is told that I will not go. Then she, what's the matter with you? With you fool? Shouted Ramlal. मूर्ख, तेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है? I am only taking you to school. मैं तुमको स्कूल में रखने के लिए जा रहा हूँ, छोड़ने, बेचने के लिए जा रहा हूँ. Then he told his wife, let her wear some decent clothes today. अच्छा ड्रेस पहन के जाए, नया पहला दिन है। Or else what will the teachers and the other school girls think of us when they see her? Teachers and the school friends, what will they think? Because we are the very representative. Okay, they speak like that. New clothes had never been made for Bholi, लेकिन no new dress. So what they do? The old dresses of her sisters were passed on to her. अपने बहन लोगों का ही पुराना ड्रेस था। That dress she used for wearing. Okay. No one cared to mend or wash her clothes. So उसके ऊपर कितना अत्याचार था। Nobody cared about her cleaning, iron or any wash her clothes or mend. But today she was lucky to receive a clean dress which had shrunk after many washing and no longer fitted Champa. उसकी ऐसा वाला बहन को नहीं हो रहा था, अच्छा वाला साफ वाला पूरा ड्रेस रखा गया था। That was hanging. That dress they found and she wore the dress and went to the school. She was even bathed and oil was rubbed into her dry and matted hair. उसको अच्छे सजा के तेल लगा के they made a good child and the parents sent Bholi to the school. Only then did she begin to believe that she was being taken to a place better than her home. Now Bholi was happy that now she can go to school. When they reached the school, the children were already in their classrooms. This period was already started. बच्चे क्लासरूम में हैं और भोली लेट में आई। रामलाल handed over his daughter to the headmistress. रामलाल ने अपने डॉटर को हेडमिस्ट्रेस को सौंप दिए कि you take care of this girl. Left alone, the poor girl looked about her with fear-laden eyes. The poor girl, the गरीब बेटी, बहुत ही डर में देख रही थी। Yeah, why she was so fear? Because she was holy. She has no strength. There were several rooms, and each room girls like her squatted on mats. Yeah, the class means class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe different sections, different rooms. So different rooms, and in each room girls like her squatted on mats. Squatted. Yes, in the mat they have arranged and sit in the line. Okay, reading from books or writing on slates. या तो किताब पढ़ रहे हैं या स्लेट में कुछ लिख रहे हैं. The headmistress asked Bholi to sit down in a corner in one of the classrooms. कोई भी क्लासरूम के कहीं पर भी कॉर्नर में जाके बैठने के लिए हेडमिस्ट्रेस asked Bholi. Okay, Boli did not know what exactly school was like and what happened there, but she was glad to find so many girls almost of her own age present there. Yes, for Boli, the school was very new, and she didn't know what happens in the school, and she was happy that in her age girls are almost of her age girl students are there in this school in the class. That's why she was happy. She hoped that one of those girls might become her friend. Now Boli thought that I would like to make a friend and I will enjoy there. The lady teacher who was in the class was saying something to the girls, but Boli could understand nothing. Okay? Lady teacher who was in the class was saying something to the girls. Lady teacher गर्ल्सों को पढ़ा रहे थे, but Boli was new and ऐसी मूर्ख थी. She was not smart. Her brain was not active, so she could not understand what the teacher was teaching to their friends. She looked at the pictures on the wall, और वहाँ पिक्चर को देख रही है. The colors fascinated her. What? The horse was brown, just like the horse on which the तहसीलदार had come to visit their village. उसको याद है कि तहसीलदार जो ब्राउन कलर का घोड़े में आए थे, सेम कलर का घोड़ा का पिक्चर है. She knew by seeing the horse, the goat was black, like the goat of the neighbor. Neighbor का जो बकरी जैसे black है, पिक्चर में भी गोट है, बकरी का कलर भी काला है. The parrot was green, like the parrot she had seen in the mango orchard, mango fruit tree. What she had seen, she thought that the same parrot color is green in color. And the cow was just like their Lakshmi. Lakshmi the cow, उसके जो बेच दिए उसके cow का भी पूरा सेम ऐसे ही दिख रहा है. And suddenly Boli noticed that the teacher was standing by her side, smiling at her. और ऐसे Boli देखती है कि सामने टीचर खड़े हैं और टीचर is smiling to her and thinking something for her. What's your name, little one? The teacher asked. Then she began to cry. Yeah, she was unable to speak her name. She told her so much a daring, fearful girl. She was unable to open the mouth. Just could only say bo. She could stammer. Stammer means haltingly speaking. तुतला के बोले no further than that. उसके आगे बोल नहीं पा रही है. Then she began to cry and tears flowed from her eyes. उसके बाद रोना शुरू की और आंखों से आंसू आ गया. In a helpless plot. Helpless plot means असहाय बाढ़ के जैसा sad. That nobody can help her. That's why she was nervous. She kept her head down as she sat in her corner. Yes, corner में जो बैठी थी उसका सर नीचे है. Not daring to look up at the girls who हिम्मत भी नहीं ऊपर देखने के. She so fearful girl. She knew were still laughing at her कि others उसको हंस रहे हैं क्योंकि उसका अंदर देखिए. She is full of nervous. When the school bell rang, time was over. School period is over. All the girls scurried out. Means move hurriedly towards their house. Out of the classroom, but Boli dare not leave her corner. Boli को उठने के लिए जाने के लिए डर लग रहा है. She had still lowered. She kept on sobbing. अभी भी सर नीचे है. Lower means down, and kept on sobbing means उसका slow crying और low crying. धीरे से थोड़ी करके अभी भी रो रही है. Then the teacher asked Boli. The teacher's voice was so soft and soothing. Soothing is very calm. Teacher बहुत प्यार से बात कर रहे हैं. In all her life, she had never been called like that. पूरे जीवन में 7 साल के बाद आई है. पूरे 7 साल में ऐसे मीठे से प्यार से कोई बात नहीं की है. बहुत ही प्यार से टीचर बोल रहे हैं भोली. And it touched her heart. भोली की दिल को छू गया शब्द. Get off, said the teacher. It is not a command. It's just a friendly suggestion. Boli got off. Boli वह हिम्मत से खड़ी हो गई। नाउ टेल मी योर नेम। स्वेट ब्रोक आउट ओवर हर होल बॉडी। डर के मारे शरीर से, पूरे शरीर से पसीना छूट गया। Would her stammering tongue against disgrace her? Stammering tongue means the tongue which was breaking. Unable to speak for the sake of this kind woman, which this teacher, however, she decided to make an effort. She tried to speak. She had such a soothing voice, such a calm voice, such a sweet voice. She would not laugh at her. Let's see. Boli. She began to stammer. So लड़खड़ा गई बोलने के लिए. She was unable to speak. Yes, stammering. Well done, well done, well done. Teachers encourage. Teacher encourage her. Come on now. The full name. Yes, my dear. She was able to speak. Boli. At last she was able to say it and felt relieved as if it was a great achievement. Now Boli थॉट कि मैं पूरा ही सफलता, महान सफलता है कि मैं आई विल एबल टू स्पीक। दैट्स व्हाई बोली वाज हैप्पी। वेल डन। द टीचर पैटेड हर अफेक्शनेटली। टीचर बहुत ही खुश होकर पीठ को थपथपाए एंड सेड पुट द फियर आउट ऑफ योर हार्ट। अपने दिल से भय को निकाल दीजिए एंड यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक लाइक एवरीवन एल्स। इफ यू रिमूव दिस फियर फ्रॉम योर हार्ट यू कैन स्पीक लाइक अदर स्टूडेंट। क्योंकि जब डरते हैं तब हम कुछ भी बोल नहीं पाते हैं। यस, स्पेशली दो जो आर स्लो स्टूडेंट, पुअर स्टूडेंट इन सब्जेक्ट, main reason is that you fear. Yes, remove your fear, then you will be smart. Okay, one of the message I can say. Boli looked up as if to ask, really? बोली ऊपर को देखी और बोली कि सच में कि अगर मैं नहीं डरूंगी तो मैं कुछ कर पाऊंगी। Yes. Yes, yes. It will be very easy. You just come to school every day. बोले कौन? क्या तुम रोज आओगे स्कूल को? बोले इन्होंने नो से इट अलाउड। थोड़ा आवाज के बोलो यस यस यस। बोले टोल हाँ मैं जरूर आऊँगी। एंड बोली herself was astonished that she had been able to say it. Astonished means surprised. बोली was surprised that she had been able to say it. What? That yes or no. बोली मुंह खुल चुका। बोली कुछ बोल सकती थी। Didn't I tell you? Now take this book. मैं बोला था ना, you remove your fear from your heart, you can learn many things. By this word, Boli's mind was changed. Boli got some strength and stamina. Yes, didn't I tell you? Now take your book. The book was full of nice pictures. इस किताब पूरा पिक्चर से भरे हुए थे। The pictures were in color. कलर वाला पिक्चर था। कैट, डॉग, कैट, गोट, हॉर्स, पैरॉट, टाइगर एंड काउ, जस्ट लाइक Lakshmi the cow. And with every picture was a word in big black letters. Yes, big black letters में भी बहुत सारे शब्द लिखा गया है। Now Boli was very much happy. Yes, it's the very beginning of the study to see the picture and to know these animals. And the letter, जानवर का एक शब्द से उसको सीखना था। In 1 month, it will be able to read this book. एक महीना में इसको पढ़ लोगे। Then I'll give you a bigger book, then still bigger one. In time, you will be more learned than anyone else in the village. Then no one will ever able to laugh at you if you learn reading well. कोई तुम्हारे पर नहीं हंसेंगे। They will not comment you. They will be surprised to know that Boli can achieve. People will listen to you with respect and you will be able to speak without the slightest stammer. और if you speak very well, लोग सुनेंगे भी अच्छे से और you will speak without any stammer, without any halting voice. You can speak well. So now go home and come back early tomorrow morning. कल भी इसी टाइम जल्दी आ जाना। The teacher talked to Boli in this way. The teaching was going on. Boli felt as if suddenly all the bells in the village temple were ringing and the trees in front of the schoolhouse had blossomed into a big red flowers. Boli के दिमाग में एक घुसा कि पूरी गांव में मंदिरों में घंटी का आवाज सुनाई दे रहा है, ऐसे लग रहा था। felt as if means ऐसे लग रहा था, it seemed were ringing on the trees in front of the school house. स्कूल के हाउस के पास जितना पेड़ हैं उनमें से लाल कलर के फूल भी खिलाए हैं, मतलब हरियाली आ गया है, सुंदरता आ गया है। तो बोली इतना जोश में है, her heart was throbbing beating with a regular rhythm, with a new hope and the new life. बोली for the lives I start a new life here, I have a new hope and new life I can enjoy now. It's the right time Boली was spending. Thus the years passed, 7 years से पढ़ाई की है और दिन ब दिन बोली का उम्र बढ़ते जा रहा है। The village became a small town, क्योंकि population और गांव और शहर बन गया। The little primary school became a high school. There were now a cinema under a tin shed. टीन शेड में एक सिनेमा भी आ गया है गांव में। And the cotton ginning mill, yes, कॉटन का भी मिल एक आ गया है। And the mail train began to stop at the railway station. आगे ट्रेन भी उसके गांव में रुकना शुरू हो गया। So all the facility, the village improved to its town. So now one night after dinner, Ramlal said to his wife, रामलाल ने अपने पत्नी को बोला, then shall I accept Bishambar's proposal? Means बिशंबर एक प्रपोजल आए हैं भोली के लिए शादी के लिए। क्या मैं बिशंबर वहाँ पर पर्सन बिशंबर जिस पर्सन का प्रपोजल शादी का प्रपोजल को वो हाँ बोलेंगे नहीं पूछ रहे हैं। ये सडनली हिज वाइफ सेड, होली विल बी लकी टू गेट सच ए वेल टू डू ब्राइडग्रूम। यस, ए बिग शॉप, बहुत बड़ा दुकान है उसका। ए हाउस ऑफ हिज ओन, अपने ही घर है। एंड आई हियर सेवरल थाउजेंड इन द बैंक, और उसके बैंक में बहुत हज़ार क्या है पैसा है, बहुत पैसा है, दुकान है, जायदाद है, सफिशिएंट मनी, बैंक बैलेंस है। मोर एवर ही इज नॉट आस्किंग फॉर एनी डाउरी। सेकेंड थिंग कि वो बिशंबर शादी में दहेज भी नहीं मांग रहे हैं। गुड लॉक दैट दे आर नॉट आस्किंग फॉर डाउरी। गुड थिंग दैट उसकी जो बेटी बोली विदाउट डाउरी मीन्स बिना खर्चा में शादी हो जाएगा। दैट्स राइट, बट ही इज नॉट सो यंग। लेकिन एक ही प्रॉब्लम है कि वो जवान नहीं है। यू नो ऑलमोस्ट द सेम एज आई एम, मेरे उम्र का है, मतलब 45-50 साल का है, बूढ़ा है। एंड ही ऑल्सो लिम्स, मतलब फिर लंगड़ा भी है। मोर एवर द चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम हिज फर्स्ट वाइफ आर क्वाइट ग्रोन अप, उसके पहले पत्नी के बच्चे भी बड़े हो चुके हैं। सो व्हाट डज इट मैटर, हिज वाइफ रिप्लाइड, उसकी पत्नी बोलेगी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, 45 और 50, इट इज़ नो ग्रेट एज फॉर ए मैन। जवान आदमी बोलेंगे कोई बूढ़ा उम्र नहीं है, 40, 45, 50 में भी आदमी शादी करते हैं, तो इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम। हू टोल्ड, इसकी पत्नी, वी आर लकी दैट्स इज फ्रॉम अनदर विलेज, दूसरे गांव से है, एंड डजंट नो अबाउट हर पोक मार्क, और मेरी बेटी का जो बोली का पोक मार्क मतलब मुँह में दाग धब्बा है उसको भी नहीं देखे हैं। एंड हर लेक ऑफ सेंस है भी, बोली मत मूर्ख है, पुलिस है, उसको भी नहीं जानते हैं। सो इफ वी डोंट एक्सेप्ट दिस प्रपोजल, सी मे रिमेन अनमैरिड ऑल ऑफ लाइफ, और शादी नहीं होगा तो कोई इसको लड़की को कोई लेगा भी नहीं। इफ नोबडी विल मैरी विथ हर मीन्स हर लाइफ विल बी ruined and life will be not smoothly go. Yeah, yes, but I wonder what Boli will say. तो बोली इसके आंसर में क्या बताएगी, what will that witless one say, उसकी मम्मी बोल देखिए foolish one say, she is like a dumb cow, घोंगा गाय जैसे, इसका तो मुंह में कुछ है ही नहीं है। What shall we say? You said nothing, that means maybe you are all right, muttered रामलाल। उसके पति रमेश बोलेंगे, पापा बोले ठीक है, पापा उसको बोलो। Let's see. Yes, my dear student, then after what happened, let's discuss. Yes, in the other corner of the courtyard, Boli lay awake on her cot. Boli अपने बिछौने में सो रही थी, listening to her parents whispered conversation, what they were talking about her, about marriage, everything. She listened everything. Vishwambar was well to do grocer. Well to do grocer means good businessman, good seller, good shopkeeper. He came with a big party of friends and relations with him for the wedding. शादी भी शुरू हो गया भोले के साथ और अच्छा बाजार धजा बहुत ही शोर शराबा बहुत ही पॉम्प एंड शो बहुत ही शोर शराबा में शादी हो रहा है ब्रास बैंड प्लेइंग ब्रास म्यूजिक भी बज रहा है ए पॉपुलर ट्यून फ्रॉम एन इंडियन फिल्म एडेड द प्रोसेशन में हिंदी फिल्म के जब म्यूजिक भी बज के साथ ओ दैट मैरिज इज गोइंग ऑन एंड विद द ब्राइडग्रूम राइडिंग अ डेकोरेटेड हॉर्स वो दूल्हा पूरा डेकोरेटेड हॉर्स में मतलब घोड़ा से सजा हुआ घोड़े में आ रहे हैं सो लकी पार्ट ओके रामलाल वाज ओवरजॉयड टू सी सच pomp and splendor magnificent display मीन्स रामा बहुत खुश है कि इतना अच्छा शादी किसी का नहीं कराया है और ऐसे दूल्हा कभी नहीं आए हैं जैसे कि पहली बार भोली की शादी में ऐसे हो रहा है he had never dreamed that this both daughter would have such a grand wedding कि रामलाल did not know कि मेरी चौथा बेटी का शादी ऐसा धूमधाम से होगा यकीन नहीं था भोली elder sisters who had come for the occasion were envious of her luck उसकी बड़ी दीदियों का जो शादी हुआ था सिंपल छोटे मोटे लोग से शादी हुआ था लेकिन उन लोग जो देखे दे सॉ दैट फोर्थ नंबर डॉटर मैरिज पार्टी वाज लॉट्स ऑफ पॉम्प एंड शो लॉट्स ऑफ गैदरिंग लॉट्स ऑफ म्यूजिक साउंड्स एंड too much people that's why they were too much happy they much jealous also when the auspicious moment came auspicious means good and optimistic moment शुभ दिन आया moment came and the priest said bring the bride दुल्हन को लेके आओ भोली clad in red silken bridal dress clad means decorated clothes in red silken bridal dress लाल कलर की साड़ी पहन के आई है शादी में was led to the bride place near the sacred fire आग के पास अग्नि में उनको जो शपथ लेने के लिए आग के पास ले आया गया है garland the bride दुल्हन को माला लगाना है one of her friends prompted विशंबर नाथ एक तो फ्रेंड विशंबर नाथ के फ्रेंड ने बोले यस दुल्हन को क्या है तो माला लगाइए then she the bridegroom lifted the garland को उठाया the yellow marigold और he went slipped back the silken veil एक महिला उस दुल्हन जो भोली की ढका हुआ था veil means covering उसको हटाए from the bride's face December took a quick glance sudden look the garland remained posed in her hand garland उसके हाथ में ऐसे लटक गया माला डाली by the bride slowly pulled down the veil over her face दुल्हन ने अपने veil को अपने मुंह में ढाक दी then what happened have you seen her said December to the friend next to him December जो शादी में दूल्हा है वो अपने साथ साइड में फ्रेंड जो थे उसको सवाल कर रहे हैं क्या तुम देखे तो कुछ देखे she has poke marks on her face उसके मुंह में दाग धब्बे हैं so what you are not young either yes तुम भी ऐसे जवान नहीं हो maybe but if I am to marry her father must give me 5,000 rupees अगर उस लड़की को मुझे शादी करना है तो दिसंबर में क्लेम किया कि 5,000 डाउरी 5,000 का मुझे डाउरी चाहिए दिसंबर क्लेम्ड then see Ramlal went and placed his turban his honor at December's feet do not humiliate me so don't make me low take 2,000 rupees 2,000 ले लो no 5,000 or we go back keep your daughter तुम अपने बेटी को रखो हम चले be little considerate please if you don't go back I can never show my face in the village अगर नहीं लेते हो then मैं गांव में तो किसी को मुंह को दिखाने का नहीं दूंगा then out with 5,000 yes then you have to bring 5,000 then I will take your daughter tears streaming down his face रामलाल की आंखों में आंसू आ गए Ramlal went in opened the shop safe and counted out the notes रामलाल नोट गिने जाके अपने सेफ में जाके she placed the bundle at the bridegroom's feet इतने जोतों के नाम से इतना पैसा ला के दूल्हे के पैर में रख दिए। ऑन बिशंबर्स ग्रीडी फेस, बिशंबर लालची चेहरा, एफिड ट्रम्पेंट स्माइल इज ओवरजॉयड स्माइल। जब ये 5,000 का जैसे पैसा आ गया, चेहरे में रौनक आ गया उसके दूल्हा का। ही हैड गैम्बल्ड एंड ओन, जुआ तो खेले और जीत गए। गिव मी द गार्लैंड, ही अनाउंस्ड, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू पुट द गार्लैंड टू द ब्राइड। Once again the veil was slipped back from the bride's face, bride के फेस से उस veil को हटा दिया गया और दुल्हन के ऊपर गार्लैंड लगाने के लिए जा रहा है। But this time her eyes were not downcast, उस टाइम लेकिन भोली की आँख और नीचे नहीं है। So looking up, उस दुल्हन भोली ऊपर को देख रही है, looking straight at her prospective husband, prospective means expected husband, and in her eyes there was neither anger nor hurt, ना तो गुस्सा ना तो नफरत है, but only cold contempt, beneath the consideration that is injustice. Bishambar raised the garland to place it around the bride's neck. Bishambar garland को लेके ब्राइड के ऊपर डालना चाहते थे, but before she could do so, और दूल्हा उस गार्लैंड में डालने से पहले Holy's hand struck out him like a streak of lightning. उसके हाथ a streak of lightning is a long thin of line of lightning, जैसे कि बिजली चमकता है ऐसे कड़का। And the garland was flung into the fire. गार्लैंड जाके आग में फेंका गया। She cut up and threw away the veil. और जो मुंह में घूंघट, जो veil या कवरिंग जो डाली थी, यस उसको फेंक दी। पिताजी, said Holy in a clear, loud voice. And her father, mother, sisters, brothers, relations and neighbors were startled and shocked to hear her speak without even a slightest tremor. People for whole years they thought that Holy was unable to speak. She had no voice. She has very stammering voice and unable to speak well. But they saw that Holy can speak very fluently and very finely. They were surprised. पिताजी, take back your money. तुम अपना पैसा 5,000 अपने जगह रखो। I am not going to marry this man. रामला was thunderstruck. ऐसे लगा रामला कि उसके ऊपर बिजली कड़का है, गाज गिर गया है। The guests began to whisper. जो मेहमान लोग थे आपस में बात करेंगे, so shameless, so ugly and so shameless. क्या सब तमीज नहीं है? This bride has no something to say. Then रामला बोली, are you crazy? Holy, are you crazy? You want to disgrace your family? Disgrace means no respect for the family. अपमान कर रहे हो। Have some regard for your इज्जत। अपनी इज्जत को तुम मिटा रहे हो। Only think for the sake of your इज्जत, said Holy, not my इज्जत, but I am talking about your इज्जत. I am willing to marry this lame and old man. कि तुम्हारी इज्जत के लिए मैं इस लंगड़े से मैं शादी करूंगी। I was willing to marry this lame old man, but I will not have such a mean, greedy and contemptible coward as my husband. I don't like this type of mean means जो poor character, yes, जो सबसे लालची हैं, yes, mean means सबसे गरीब स्वभाव के हैं, and greedy and contemptible means hateful, coward of my husband. I won't, मैं शादी नहीं करूँगा। What a shameless girl. We all thought she was a harmless dumb cow. कितना बेशर्मिया लड़की है। हम सोच रहे थे कि काव जैसे अहिंसक है। Holy turned violently on the old man. उस वृद्ध महिला के ऊपर बिगड़ के बोली, yes auntie, you are right. You all thought I was a dumb-driven cow. You thought that I'm dumb-driven cow means I was unable to voice to speak. That's why you wanted to hand me over to this heartless creature. निर्दयी प्राणी को ऊपर मुझे देना चाहते थे। But now the dumb cow, the stammering fool is speaking. जो बोलने पाने वाले काऊ जो बोलते हो अब बोल रही है। Yes, speaking. But now the drum cow, the stamina pool is speaking. Do you want to hear more? आप कुछ ज़्यादा सुनना चाहते हो क्या? Bishambarnath, the grocer, started to go back with his party. उसके दल के साथ वो चल दिया. The confused bandsman thought this was the end of the ceremony. जो बजाने वाले आए थे कि उसका कंफ्यूज हो गया कि क्या सेरेमनी का प्रोग्राम का आखिरी संगीत है. And Stockholm closing song. Stockholm is in proud. They sort of Stockholm is in proud. They made a ending song and they left this program. Ramlal stood rooted to the ground. Rooted which खड़ा हो गया. His head bowed low in the weight of the grief and shame. रामलाल का सर नीचा होके बहुत दुखियों के नीचे सर किया है. शाम के मारे the flames of the second fire slowly died down. जो शादी का जो आग जो जलाए थे वो धीरे धीरे बुझ गया. Everyone was gone. हर कोई जा चुके थे. Laman turned to Bholi and said, "But what about you? No one will ever marry you now. What shall we do with you now?" तुम्हारे साथ शादी करने के लिए कोई नहीं रहेंगे. Who will marry with you then? What will happen to you then? What do you think? And Sulekha said in a voice that are calm and steady, "Don't you worry, Papa Pitaji. In your old age, I will serve you and mother, and I will teach in the same school where I learned so much. Isn't that right, man?" जिस स्कूल में पढ़ी हो, in the same school I will be teaching. I will serve you in your old age. The teacher had all stood in a corner watching the drama. Teacher देख रहे थे वो हरकत को. Yes, Bholi, of course you will be teacher in our school. You will teach the students and you will serve us, she replied. And in her smiling face was the light of a deep satisfaction that an artist feels when contemplating the completion of her masterpiece. Yes, और उसकी आंखों में रोशनी था, आंखों में मुस्कुराहट था भोली के. And the light of deep satisfaction, like भोली is satisfied with light of means पूरा उजाला रोशनी है. An artist feels, जब आर्टिस्ट बनाता है चीज़ का पेंट चित्र या इमेजिनेशन में, when contemplating means look thoughtfully for a long time at the complexion of her masterpiece. When artist makes a painting, finally he looks the face, an excellent work, and it was the excellent work of Bholi that she did, and that's why the smiling on her face, and satisfied what she did, and what she planned and everything is far better than to be under a greedy person like this. Lesson speaks very simple lesson, with a good message and moral, and this should be that those who exploit, those who torture, those who harass, this type of girl, those who are something not improved, developed in brain and ugly face and etc., there should be teaching to that type of person. Good moral message in this chapter. I hope you this lesson have inspired you to in your life also. You have to face should have a great channel like this chapter. Hope a good day and meet you once again in the next period. So goodbye.